Welcome to part 2 of Postman Pet Amiga. Now, this is the game I have ordered from eBay, and I had a few problems of trying to get it running. This teddy works, and it looks as if it's working fine, same as Atari ST. It's working fine. Pet's already at breakfast. Now getting the prescription from Dr. Gilbertson. It's Miss Hubbard. The person rides on the bike. The other thing is she doesn't have a helmet because it's never safe. Oh, come on, zigzag. Okay, this is the post office again, and he's just drinking at breakfast. You're already at. This is fine. But yeah. Try this thing. Nope. The flashing doors. There's one. Whoops. It looks like I've dropped a letter. Now let me see. This is the last one. Whoops. It wasn't a maybe fine shot. Right. Make it look maybe fine the driving. Make it maybe smooth. Yes, oh, your fingertips. I heard doing the controls fine.